Hi everyone, welcome back to Areeba EduSpace. Today I'm going to explain the VU passing marks criteria for midterm and final term, the simple 20% rule that every VU student must know.
Most students think if my total marks reach 40% overall, I will pass. But this is wrong. VU does not work this way. Let me show you the real rule. Your course is divided into two halves, and you must pass both. The first half is called formative assessment. It includes assignments, quizzes, GDBs, and your midterm exam. You need at least 20% here. The second half is your final term exam, a comprehensive paper covering the whole semester. You also need at least 20% here, but that's not all. There is one more condition. Your overall aggregate, meaning both halves combined, must be at least 40%. So the full rule is 20% in the first half, plus 20% in the second half, plus 40% overall. Let's look at a past example. A student scores 30% in the first half and 52% in the final term. Total comes to 41% overall. Both halves are above 20%, and the overall is above 40%, so this student passes. Now here's the trap. A student scores only 12% in the first half, but 55% in the final term. Total overall is 33.5%. Even though the final term is great, the first half is below 20%, so this student fails the course. Overall marks don't matter here, so remember three things. Never ignore your assignments, quizzes, or GDBs. They build your 20%. A brilliant final term cannot save a weak first half. And consistency throughout the semester matters more than one single exam. That's the complete passing criteria explained simply. If this helped you, subscribe to Areeba EduSpace for more VU tips, subject guides, and exam prep. See you in the next video!